Machine Learning Glossary.
Accuracy. The degree to which a machine learning model's predictions match the actual values or labels of the data it's trained on, typically expressed as a percentage. Algorithm. A set of instructions or rules that a machine learning model uses to perform a specific task or solve a problem. Attribute. A characteristic or feature of a data point in a machine learning model, often used interchangeably with the term feature. Classification. The process of categorizing data points into predefined groups or classes based on their attributes or features. Binary classification. A type of classification in which the machine learning model assigns each data point to one of two possible classes. Multi-class classification. A type of classification in which the machine learning model assigns each data point to one of three or more possible classes. Bias metric. A measure of the degree to which a machine learning model is systematically skewed towards certain predictions or outcomes. Categorical variables. Variables that can take on a limited set of discrete values or categories, such as gender or color. Classification threshold. The point at which a machine learning model decides whether to assign a data point to a certain class or not, based on the probability or confidence level of its prediction. Clustering. The process of grouping data points together based on their similarities or patterns, without predefined classes or labels. Continuous variables. Variables that can take on any value within a certain range, such as temperature or height. Convergence. The point at which a machine learning model's performance or loss function stops improving significantly during training. Epoch. A complete pass through the training data during the training process of a machine learning model. Extrapolation. The process of using a machine learning model to make predictions or extrapolate trends beyond the range of the training data. Feature. An input variable or attribute that a machine learning model uses to make predictions or decisions. Parameters. The values or weights that a machine learning model learns during the training process, in order to make accurate predictions or decisions. Hyperparameters. Configuration settings or values that a machine learning model user specifies before training, in order to optimize the model's performance. Instance. A single data point or example in a machine learning model. Model. The specific machine learning algorithm or set of algorithms used to make predictions or decisions based on input data. Normalization. The process of scaling or transforming the values of input variables in order to improve the performance of a machine learning model. Noise. Random or irrelevant data that can disrupt the accuracy of a machine learning model's predictions. Overfitting. The process of a machine learning model learning the training data too well, to the point where it can't generalize well to new data. Underfitting. The process of a machine learning model failing to learn the patterns or relationships in the training data, resulting in poor performance on new data. Regression. A type of machine learning task in which the model predicts a continuous numerical value, such as predicting the price of a house based on its features. Reinforcement learning. A type of machine learning in which the model learns by trial and error, receiving rewards or punishments based on its actions in a given environment. Supervised learning. A type of machine learning in which the model is trained on labeled data, with known inputs and outputs, in order to make predictions or decisions on new, and labeled data. Transfer learning. The process of using knowledge or features learned by a machine learning model on one task to improve the performance of a model on a related task. This can save time and resources, as well as improve the accuracy of the new model. Test set. A subset of data used to evaluate the performance of a trained machine learning model on new, unseen data. Training set. The subset of data used to train a machine learning model, typically consisting of labeled data with known inputs and outputs. Validation set. A subset of data used to tune the hyperparameters of a machine learning model, and to evaluate its performance during training. Please note that this video only covers a few key terms used in machine learning. For the complete glossary, visit the link below.